Welcome back, ambitious viewers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of side hustles and passive income. If you've ever dreamt of turning your passion into profit, you're in the right place. Before we kick off, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable content like this one. Step 1. Identify your passion. The first key to a successful side hustle is identifying what you're passionate about. What could you do for hours and never get tired of? Your side hustle should align with your interests to keep you motivated and engaged. Step 2. Research market demand. Now that you've identified your passion, it's time to check if there's a demand for it in the market. Conduct thorough research to understand your potential audience, competitors, and any gaps you can fill. Step 3. Set clear goals. Setting clear and achievable goals is crucial. Define what success looks like for your side hustle. Whether it's financial targets, a certain number of clients, or a specific product launch, having clear goals will keep you on track. Step 4. Create a business plan. A solid business plan is your roadmap to success. Outline your objectives, target audience, marketing strategy, and financial projections. This not only helps you stay organized, but also attracts potential investors or collaborators. Step 5. Develop your brand. Your brand is more than just a logo. It's the story, values, and personality behind your hustle. Develop a strong and memorable brand that resonates with your target audience. Step 6. Build an online presence. In our digital age, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Create a website, leverage social media, and use content marketing to reach and engage your audience. Consistency is key. Step 7. Diversify income streams. To maximize passive income, diversify your revenue streams. This could include affiliate marketing, digital products, or even licensing your expertise. The more diversified, the more resilient your income becomes. Step 8. Automate and delegate. Time is money. Automate repetitive tasks and delegate when possible. This allows you to focus on what truly matters and keeps your side hustle running smoothly. Step 9. Learn and adapt. Finally, never stop learning. Stay updated on industry trends, listen to customer feedback, and be willing to adapt. Flexibility is a key ingredient for long-term success. There you have it. The 9 crucial steps to launch a successful side hustle and generate passive income. Remember, it's not about working harder, but smarter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up